Welcome back to English Ideas ABC. Today we will learn about sight words. What are sight words? Sight words are high frequency words. They recognize by sight rather than sound. They develop fluency and are essential for reading and writing proficiency. Let's read sight words with me. One, we, not, two, you, help, in, come, me, here, in, me, too, big, up, run, the, yellow, find, away, in, here, jump, it, tree, go, to. Two is look, away, run, here, jump. One, big, help, play, I, me, my, in, go, can. Big, for, three, help, the, not, find, up, run. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching.